daisies, yeah.
We have violets.
No, we don't.
But we have tons of trees. We have tons of bushes, as you can perfectly see.
Oh, yeah, in the summer we have honeysuckles.
And they're really cool.
A school where students want to come to class. Sounds unlikely, but of all the new ideas used to create the Willow School, that's probably the least radical. The school is designed to be a learning tool, no different from a textbook or a slideshow, except that the lesson is about the environment.
So the idea of not just building a green building, but building a living building. How do you make a building act like a tree? How do you make a building act like a flower? How do you make a building participate with nature, give back more than it produces?
Chief among the innovations on display in this northern New Jersey private school is the extent to which new technology is used to integrate the architecture of the school into the environment. In fact, the founders of the Willow School claim that the very presence of their campus improves the local ecosystems.
So if you take our septic system, for example, we take all our septic water and we grow plants hydroponically in water and gravel in septic waste, and the microorganisms at the root zones of the plants actually eat our pollutants. The water that's resultant is absolutely crystal clear. Why would you even think of flushing human waste with potable water? It's crazy when we have all this rainwater.
In addition to cleaning septic water with a constructed wetland, the school improves productivity and reduces energy use by replacing artificial lighting with daylight. 80% of the campus was constructed using salvaged building materials. For example, this sidewalk, leftover concrete from Boston's Big Dig. And the performance space? It's an old barn, insulated by recycled denim and rubber sneaker soles. But this is a school, and the point of opening a school, the whole reason for being, is to teach students. And here, the Willow School does something unique again.
We're looking at not so much just presenting kids with lots of factual information, because in today's age, in this world, there's a glut of information, and nobody can know all those facts. And what will be needed in terms of thinking and problem solving will be, how do you make meaning out of some of this information?
The curriculum focuses more on contextual learning than memorization. Art and science classes use local plants, along with the traditional school supplies of popsicle sticks and pipe cleaners. And where you'd expect to find a playground with, sand lots and rubberized foam panels, it's just the woods. The kids come out here and make something out of it. As you might expect, this creates a somewhat different breed of student.
They tend to want to look at problems and fix them, and reach out in the social area to look at people who have great needs, and how can we bring some solutions to those people who are needy.
The Willow School is a kind of model to show that the concepts of integration and systems thinking can succeed. And to that end, the school is designed specifically for its environment. Plant history, light patterns, and water table values would all change if the school were built in any other location, and that's to say nothing of opening such a school in an urban setting. The initial investment and research required to create buildings like the Willow School are more intensive and more expensive than conventional constructions. It should therefore be no surprise that including all of these elements in designing a building is not common practice for architects today, despite the long-term savings in energy and productivity. But Mark Biedron believes that, in addition to teaching students, the Willow School must show designers and developers the failures of conventional design without sacrificing comfort or quality.
If we're so smart, why have we let ourselves get to the edge of the cliff?
For the Wall Street Journal, I'm Matt Rivera.